So as you can see, that it's definitely something we think about, and that we're still, actually, to be honest, we're still trying to figure it out. I mean, I feel like we could, especially in the library side of the house, I think with the programming, as you said, in the last few years, there's been a lot of changes in the programming that is bringing in a younger audience to Schomburg, which is great. And we have junior scholars, and that's great for teens. I do wish that we had people coming in that were in, late teens, 20s, 30s. I feel like that age group is sort of not as engaged with the library collections as I'd like to see them be. We get mostly, using the collections, we get, academics. We do get some students from colleges, but I wish we even had more of those. One way that we're trying to possibly bring in more people is by having more of a presence in the web and online and using social media. But for instance, we're looking to try to digitize more of our content as a way to expose what we have here. So a very recent addition to our online collections are the famous Green books, the travel guides by Victor Green, published from the 30s to the 60s, that helped African Americans navigate through the US, recommending places that was safe for them to go, hotels, restaurants, places that was acknowledged to be a safe place. And those travel guides, because they were really ephemeral materials that people kind of had, and then the next year another one would come out, and like, I don't need this anymore, and they would throw it out. And so because of that, they're really rare, and they're not available in that many libraries. Schomburg has a really wonderful collection. It's not 100% complete, but it's a pretty full collection. And the entire collection has now been digitized. It's on the web. So that's one strategy that we have, is just some of these unique collections that we know are of interest beyond, well, just making them more widely available. So putting them out there.